All right, so now we have an example with mixed numbers, but before we get started, once again, same signs, positive, different signs, negative. I see one, negative, and the other one with no sign, which means positive. That means these are going to be different, so our answer is ultimately going to be negative. I'm going to keep that in the corner, and let's forget about that for a second. Okay, so we're always going to want to convert when we have mixed numbers to improper fractions when we're multiplying. Remember, we cannot split off the whole numbers and then just multiply the fractions and the whole numbers. Can't do that. You have to put them all together. So always a good idea to convert to improper fractions. Let's go ahead and do that. Remember, you multiply your denominator, which is your bottom number, by the whole number. So 7 times 3 is going to give us 21. And then you add the top number. Plus 3 is going to give us 24. So that is going to be 24 over 7 times, let's convert the second one. 2 times 2 is 4. And we're going to add that top number, plus 1, which gives us 5. And that is equal to 5 over 2. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing. Remember, check the diagonals to see if they could simplify. 7 and 5 are both prime, which means their only factors are 1 in themselves, so they can't simplify at all. 2 and 24, however, can. So I know 2 goes into both of those since they're both even. 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 goes into 24 12 times. So let's go ahead and use that. 12 times 5 is going to give us 60. And 7 times 1 is going to give us 7. Now I'm going to put a negative here since we know our answer is negative already. And then we're just going to go ahead and divide. Remember, this literally means 60 divided by 7. So we're going to divide 60 by 7 and turn that into an improper fraction. So let's see. We know 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 9 is 63. So we're going to have to go 7 times 8, which is 56. When we subtract that, we get 4. Remember, this is our whole number. And our remainder, our leftover, is going to be our new numerator, and we're going to keep the same denominator that we already have, which is 7. So this is going to be negative 8 and 4/7, and that can't simplify anymore. That is our answer.